Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a balloon-powered toy car in Tinkercad. This video is for those of you who are not confident enough to just jump straight into the color pencil holder. So you don't have to watch this video. You don't have to make this toy car, but if you need extra practice or you're not feeling confident, then you're going to want to follow along and make this little car where you'll learn a lot of skills that you can use on your colored pencil holder. So if you go under Learn, you'll find out that there's projects here, and you may have to hit See All Projects. And the teacher's already made this balloon-powered car, which I thought was pretty interesting. And you'll see there's a description, and then there are 4 lessons to making it. So how I learned how to make this was following along with the directions on the left, but I'll show you in this video what I ended up doing. So you can start here and read through if you'd rather do it that way, but you want to bring in a box, and then on this box you're then going to want to size it. So notice how I've got my two dimensions there lit up. So 60 millimeters for that one. And then this is supposed to be 20, so that's good. And then on your height, if you choose this dot here, you could see that height, and you can use your cube to go around and see is 20. So that's all good. So I'm going to hit click off of it. And you can rotate around this and look at it however way you want. And then next I'm going to put in a cylinder. I want to make it a hole. All right, now I need to size it. Get that out of the way so we can see this thing. So the diameter of this should be 11 millimeters. You want to change it, see how it's an ellipse now? You want to change this to 11. And then the height, you want to make that 25. All right. And then you should be able to next duplicate. To do that, choose on this symbol here while you have your cylinder selected. If this doesn't work out for you, just make another cylinder by hand. That's pretty easy. So now we've got 2 of these. So like I said, if that was too much for you, just make another identical cylinder. Then what we're going to want to do is rotate this, not this direction. I want to look at this from a different way. See this? You want to go that way with it. "90 degrees. It will not let me. There we go. Notice this is not as easy to use as Inventor actually sometimes. Okay, just let me. There, manually just pull it. Just do what you gotta do. There we go, we're at 90. All right. I am struggling. All right, hopefully this is comical for you guys. So you can see you just gotta, this thing is not very sophisticated, so you gotta do what you gotta do to get these to end up being rotated like that. So I did my best. Now we're gonna wanna move these within so they cut into this. I'm going to look at it from the front to get a better look at where I placed them. And then I want to move it down. Use that to that top arrow to move it down. Something like 2 millimeters off. This does not matter that much. I'm not being picky, guys. 2 or 3 there. See how close that is. And then if you move over here, pull it down. All right, something like that. You'll probably notice too that I didn't go all the way through here. Yep, so I need to pull these so it goes all the way. See how it goes all the way through? Cuts a hole all the way through. And then last step in this video, you want to select, hold down shift, keep holding down shift, and then what you want to do is do group. Boom, and now you have your holes. So next video I'll show you a continuation on how to finish up the body of this car.